Qlaway BK20 is a sleek electric bike that's been trending for its minimalist design and long-range battery life. But as its price, the question is it worth it? It's built with a 350 watts motor, giving you up to 60 kilometers of range in a single charge. The pedal assist modes make uphill rides surprisingly easy, and its lightweight aluminum frame feels solid without being bulky. After testing it for 2 weeks, I was impressed with how smooth and quiet it rode. The acceleration is steady, the brakes are responsive, and it handled city roads like a pro. Charging only took around 4 hours, and the foldable design makes it easy to store. Now the flaws. It's not ideal for a very rough terrain, and the seat could use more cushioning. Also, the price might be stiff for casual riders, and if you're commuting daily and want an efficient, eco-friendly option, the Qlaway BK20 is absolutely worth it. It's an investment, but one that genuinely improves your daily travel experience. And that is my review of the Qlaway Electric Bike BK20.